next stop is Linwater Campsite, just outside of Edinburgh.
Turn left, then turn right.
Here we are approaching it. Here's one of those indie campers we've been seeing all over the place. So reception is 100 metres, all visitors must report in at reception. This looks to be a mix of statics, is it?
I think so.
Statics and motorhomes. Oh, and a real house. So this is a bit different because it isn't one of the camping and caravan or caravan and motorhome. So aye, something different. Quite expensive, I might add. How much was it, Paul?
£45.
£45. I remember the days when that was a night bed and breakfast at a nice hotel. BRB.
This is what we've come to see today. We've just walked through the campsite, but just under half an hour. 2.3 kilometres. We've come to see Jupiter Artland.
It's like coming out of the dark into the light.
Very profound.
Yeah. I have my moments.
Teletubby land?
It is. Ooh. Ooh. What do you think that house is over there?
This one apparently it's called Love Bomb.
How amazing. A tin. Can you hear it? And then there's lights in the grass, so at night it'll be lit up and it must look spectacular. Oh, I love this.
It's a bit rude. There's our next one, Firmament.
Actually, look at that view. If you walk through it.
Oh yeah. I don't know if the GoPro will pick it up, but you can see the fourth crossing in the rail bridge, the road bridge area. So this little bridge is called Only Connect. So this one's called Weeping Girls. Oh, there's a few of them. Creepy.
They are quite creepy.
Now this is the stone house. It's too dark in there for the GoPro.
Hold on.
So this one is the Temple of Apollo.
Oh, it says things.
Oh yeah.
A god definitely in exile. A titan, no, a titanic revolt in his heart. L.A. Saint, just, consecutive upon Apollo. I don't know where that started and ended, but it's got a nice echo. See if you stand in here. La 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 la. Will I stick with my Tinky Winky?
Yeah.
Tinky Winky, Dipsy, la la po, Teletubbies. That's me.
It's got the same roof number as Rome.
Yeah.
And here we've got 10th Muse. Next the Midget Muse.
Midget gems.
Midget Gem. Aye. This one's called In Memory. It's like that film with the, you know the guy from Robin's Nest?
Oh yeah, the Irish guy with one arm.
Well, he'd one eye, he was a dishwasher, remember, with
Yeah.
one arm. So we've been through the walk, or been through one of the walks, and we're actually down where we started. This is where, well, the cars came up, we just walked up. So you can follow the paths up around the hill, you know, like take a direct line obviously, because that would muck up the grass. But you can stay at the paths. Somebody getting their graduation photos. Here's Carol trying to look serene.
Serene. Oh, turn round because she might fall in. She's thinking about jumping.
Oh, go on, jump.
Go on, you can do it, dear.
What's the worst that can happen?
Best graduation photo ever.
What's the
Smash.
worst that can happen? Go for it.
No, she's chickened out.
This one's called The Light Pours Out of Me. I got it wrong. That one over there is called Separation in the Evening.
gosh, it feels damp. Oh, it's wet.
There's lots down here.
Or this one is called Quarry. Carol doing her TikTok thing with her hand up to find where the sun is. No, this one's called I Lay Here For You.
Wonder if the school trips miss this one out.
This one's called the Rose Walk.
Oh,
You can
the
smell it,
roses?
yeah. We've just spent a couple of hours walking around Jupiter Artland. What do you want to say about it?
If you love nature and you love art, bingo!
You're £14.50 per person to get in. Your dog's another £7.50, which is a bit of a shame. There is a cafe, etc. We've had a cup of tea, a cup of coffee earlier on. There's a restaurant and that up the top of the hill. There's a couple of car parks. It's obviously easier if you drive in with your car, park up at the top of the hill and then start the paths walking around. But with us having the van back in the campsite, we just had to walk here. So legs are a bit tired.
And my bunions are throbbing.
Bunions. Right, so we're away back to get some food and a shower. See you later.
Yeah.
So here's the front gates of Jupiter Artland. They were done by Ben Tyndall. So we're on our way back to the campsite. So just a wee word of warning. This little B road is horrendous. The potholes is like craters. There's no path. And folk come bombing up and doing this road, so just take your time. This is us just coming into Linwater Caravan Park.
It's 11:15 and we are now leaving Linwater campsite. It's a beautiful, beautiful sunny day here just outside Edinburgh. We're heading towards Dunbar. Linwater campsite was glorious, as you could see there from the lady waving. The staff were superb, 2 women running the place and couldn't be more helpful, couldn't be more informative. This was a cracking campsite, but the 2 things that you would have to note if you were ever coming to stay here is you do hear the aeroplanes taking off from the airport. It's not as bad as the last place we were when they were coming in to land over our heads, but you do hear them, and it goes on quite late at night and then early again in the morning. And the other thing, and it's a pet peeve of mine, is the push button showers. Every 8 seconds or so you've got to push the button in again to get hot water started, and that's a bit of a negative for me because I don't think you should have to work hard in the shower. So yeah, if only all campsites had free running hot showers, it would be marvellous. Potholey Road again, this is the road that you have to walk on if you're leaving the campsite either on foot or cycling. It's quite precarious because the national speed limit applies on this part of the road and cars do go flying up and down it. But all in all, we had a lovely stay. We're refreshed, the van is reset, and we're ready for our next chapter on Carol and Paul being homeless. BRB.